Good morning, rise and shine, sunshines. So today we are going to be making sausage, biscuit and gravy, but instead of pork sausage, I'm going to be using turkey sausage. So for your ingredients, you are going to need a cup of flour. I have butter, but I'm going to use half a stick of butter, salt, pepper, turkey sausage, and milk. So this is what we're going to be doing today. So we are going to start off. You want to make sure that you put some oil in your pan, okay? So already have put oil in the pan. All right, so I put oil in the pan. So we're gonna start off like that. Then I have my ground turkey where I'm going to go ahead and put that in the pan, okay? So I have my ground turkey. I'm gonna put it in the pan. All right, I'm just gonna break it apart. You wanna make sure you get it broken all the way down. Alright, and I added some oil just because this is ground turkey, and ground turkey tends to get dry. So I just added some oil to the pan. Alright, so we're gonna chop this down. You don't want to make it too chopped down. I want texture because this is biscuit and gravy. So we're just gonna, let this cook a little bit, get brown. Alright. So that's coming along. Alright. So just gonna let this cook till it gets brown to the right consistency of the ground turkey. Alright. And like I said, you don't want to have it where it's like mushy. You want some texture, so you want to leave it little chunks and pieces. So that's what we're going to be doing. And this is a lot of arm and hand work and wrist work. So, you got to work your arm and wrist with this, getting this to the right consistency, guys. Y'all see it? It's coming along. So just keep letting it cook a little bit till it comes to where you want it to be. Alright, it's coming. So this is going to be our Saturday morning breakfast, biscuit and gravy with turkey sausage, y'all. Okay, see how I got that going? Okay. Alright, once it gets to where you want it to be, what you're going to do next, you are going to add in some flour. You want that flour, that way it gets thick. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to add in our flour. We're going to do a little bit at a time. Alright, so I've added that in. We're going to coat all the meat. Okay, you want to make sure you coat the meat, guys, with all that flour. Okay, and now that I have coated that flour in, y'all see how it is? I'm going to add the milk now. I'm going to add little by little. You don't want to add too much because you don't want watery biscuit and gravy. So you're just going to add as you go. And then I'm going to scrape from the bottom because it's that flour on the bottom. Alright. Alright, so what is going, I'm going to check on my biscuits that's in the oven. Alright, so my biscuits are done. Got my biscuits out the oven. Y'all see how nice and golden they are? All right, so those are the biscuits. All right, so I'm just gonna continue to stir these. All right. I'm gonna add a little bit more milk. All right, and I'm scraping it from the bottom. Get all that flour in, y'all. You gotta get from the bottom. All right, and just to make it a little bit more flavorful, I am going to add in a stick of butter into this. Okay. All right. Add a little bit more milk. I want it to be the right consistency, guys. All right, and that butter is just going to give it that extraness. This just buttering up my biscuits so they're nice and moist. I know they're biscuit and gravy, but presentation is everything. All right. Nice golden brown biscuits. They're coming into place. So my handle broke off, so that's why I'm using this, because my handle broke off. So we're just gonna use that, which is okay. All right, now we're gonna tin back into this biscuit and gravy. All right, so now that I got this going on, we are going to add in some salt. Y'all see that? How it's coming into form, our biscuit and gravy. All right, turn it down a little bit. I don't want to burn our biscuit and gravy, guys. Oh, that looks so good. All right, so I'm using some sea salt. I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt in here, not too much. And I use unsalted butter just so that way I can control my butter salt intake. So I just added in the salt, and now I'm gonna add in some pepper. For this dish, you gotta add in a lot of pepper. I know you guys may say, oh, this is a lot of pepper, but for this biscuit and gravy, you gotta add a lot of pepper. This is what makes that biscuit and gravy, y'all. All right, y'all see it? It's coming along. All right. So now that we have this, it's coming into form, our biscuit and gravy. Now I am going to taste it to see if it's where I want it to be. Give it a little taste. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. We need a little bit more salt because we want this to be right. All right. Okay. It's coming into form. I'm just getting that bottom part because it's that flour, so you want to make sure all that flour is from the bottom. And you know you use flour, so you got to use some salt because it's very bland. So I have did that. Add a little bit more pepper. Okay, that's where I want it to be now. So we are all good with our biscuit and gravy. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so that's simmering down. All right, I'm gonna get my plate so we can plate this dish, y'all. All right, so now I have my plate. And what we are going to do now is I am going to get it ready to be plated. All right. Alright, so I'm grabbing some parsley, excuse me, just for garnish. So I have the biscuit. You see nice golden brown biscuit. No burnt or anything at the bottom. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut it wide open. Yes. Y'all see it? Okay. Alright. So now we have done that. And now I am going to add this biscuit, this gravy. So the biscuit, y'all see it looks so delicious. Yes. Alright, so now I am going to plate my biscuit and gravy. And I'm going to do a little bit different. I'm going to make it like a sandwich. So we are going to put this on here. Okay. Alright. And then I'm going to do it like this. And I am going to make two, guys. Just because I'm feeling a little too hungry this morning. Okay. So we are going to get two of the biscuit and gravy. This reminds me of my grandma and my mom when I was younger, cooking this biscuit and gravy in this cast iron skillet, y'all. Can't go wrong with a cast iron skillet, I tell you that. Alright, so make sure I get those chunks of the sausage, and I'm gonna just do it like that. Now I am going to get me some parsley, and I'm just going to garnish it. You see? Garnishing it. And that is, okay. So that is how the biscuit and gravy has came out. Now we are going to eat it. You can eat it with a fork or a knife, however you want to eat this biscuit and gravy. But just know that when you eat it, it is delicious. So this is how the biscuit and gravy came out, guys. Nice texture, everything.